As you hopefully enjoy this compilation of various animal encounters clips, we're gonna tell you some really interesting facts that you probably didn't know about parrots. Some parrots grind their own calcium supplements. As a famous research subject, the African gray parrot Alex was said to have the intelligence of a human 5-year-old. Now the Psittacine tribe can claim another brainy feat, tool use. Researchers at the University of York and the University of St. Andrews observed captive Greater Vasa parrots using date pits and pebbles to pulverize cockle shells. Male Vasas ate the powder and then offered a regurgitated calcium-rich snack to females before mating. Be thankful you get chocolates. Parrot toes are zygodactyl. Like most other birds, parrots have 4 toes per foot. But instead of the usual 3 in front 1 behind arrangement, parrot toes are configured for maximum grip. 2 in front and 2 behind, like 2 pairs of opposable thumbs. Combined with beaks that can crack even the world's toughest nuts, their unique feet make them formidable eaters, not to mention dexterous climbers. Polly wants mutton, too. Many parrots are omnivores and will eat pretty much anything: fruit, seeds, nuts, insects and even meat. Some species, like the rainbow-colored lories and lorikeets of the South Pacific, feed almost exclusively on nectar with brush-tipped tongues, though recently even these birds were seen eating meat at feeding stations in Australia. In New Zealand, native kea, nestor species, were first observed attacking and killing sheep in 1868 and were persecuted as sheep killers until 1986, when they were granted protected status. Not all parrots are tropical. Of the roughly 350 known species of parrots, most live in the tropical and subtropical regions of Australia, Asia, Central and South America and Africa. But some parrots break that geographic mold. Keas live in alpine regions of New Zealand and nest in ground burrows, while the endangered maroon-fronted parrot dwells at 6,000 feet in the Sierra Madre Oriental Mountains of Mexico. A third of the world's parrots face extinction. Due to a combination of habitat destruction and persistent poaching for the pet trade, more species regularly land on the IUCN Red List of threatened species. A November study, for instance, found that logging has decimated 99% of the African gray population in Ghana, threatening wild numbers of one of the most iconic parrot species. Parrots usually match their mates. With a couple of notable exceptions, males and females of most parrot species look virtually identical. It takes a keen eye, and usually a lab test, to tell a boy bird from a girl bird. But some species, like the Solomon Island eclectus, are so different that for many years people thought they were distinct species of birds. Males are bright emerald green with flame-colored beaks, while females top off their crimson and royal blue ensembles with black beaks and a bright scarlet head.